Hi everyone, welcome to How Inez Rolls. I'm doing something extra special. I'm heading to Trader Joe's and it has been forever. Let's go. And I'm super excited to report that Trader Joe's has pumpkins out front. Ooh, I'm so excited because they are actually our favorite pumpkins because I do get them for, instead of carving, we paint our pumpkins for the Day of the Dead. So it'll be good for decor out front and then they turn into Day of the Dead pumpkins. So, whoo, let's go get them. I am so ready to show you what I got. So 3 pumpkins, and which we do paint them. So hopefully if they will withstand for about a month and a half, which they may not, but $2.99 at Trader Joe's is the best price for some really good pumpkins. Plus, if you can see here, I got some hydrangeas. They are gorgeous and they were $5.99. So these will be perfect right above the sink. I love getting flowers there. They have such a good blend and good mix for a really inexpensive. I think the most expensive bouquets there were nice big full ones for like 10 bucks. And they don't have their fall selection. The mums aren't out yet. Now those are my favorite, the chrysanthemums. So let me show you what we got. I got a couple of meals for dinners and I got a lot of lunch stuff and a lot of snacks. So let me show you. First up, I'm gonna do the freezer stuff because I need to get them in the freezer. We got these little fruit bars and I got this Laffy Taffy, this saltwater taffy. It's actually not for us. It's for a little girl that we're going to go visit. This will make her feel better. I got these little treats. This one is chocolate dipped strawberries and I got chocolate dipped bananas. Now I'm just feeling them. These ones feel much heavier than these. That's kind of funny. Oh, because they are heavier. They were the same price though. So these are good. And Kobe will be so happy. Mac and cheese balls. He really, really likes them. Remember when I made an attempt to make mac and cheese bites and I did the breading on macaroni and cheese boxes? It came out okay, but these are much better. I got their pineapple. These are so sweet, so good. I just like to eat them by themselves, and I have I put some yogurt on top of them, and then the yogurt starts to freeze up a little bit. It's like ice cream. So good. I got a couple of these corns. These are so good, so sweet. And I just like to keep them in the freezer for meals, or I like to add them to my arroz con pollo or just any other soups. These are beef tamales that he could take for lunches. They just need to be thawed out or put in the microwave. So easy. I got some eggs because we needed them. And I got some milk. So we've been eating a little bit more, or drinking a little bit more milk because of the cereal. So other than that, that doesn't get drunk in our refrigerator. And then I got 2 bags of these organic tortilla chips. We love to have them in the pantry, and I'm giving one to the Phillips because I know the last time they went to Trader Joe's, they were all out. So one's coming for you, Tina. All right, so I got some deli meats. They have this yummy roast beef, it nicely thick sliced, and some oven roasted turkey breasts. These are so good. And so this one I may cook up and make like some Philly like cheesesteak type stuff. I haven't decided yet, but if it's gone, it's gone, and the kids want to make sandwiches with it, I'm okay with that as well. This is like a treat. These are lemon yogurts. I just got a couple and they're not very cheap. They're like $1 each, but it's also really high in calories and sugar. So I don't even eat all of them. I just kind of have a little bit at a time, and then it's like a treat, or I'll just give one or half of one to Ezra. But all my family right now isn't on a a yogurt kick right now. So they're kind of taking a backseat to yogurt, which is fine. I got these cereal bars, which they are really good. So I'll keep them, especially for Ezra. He's really picky about breakfast. So that would be okay with me with some like fruit or something. I just picked up some whipped cream cheese. It's just much easier to spread. And then I got this. This is chicken salad. So good. In fact, this Wine Country chicken salad, they used to sell this at Costco, but now it's like weird. So this is so good with wheat thins. And we have some extra wheat thins that are just screaming for some chicken salad. So maybe for lunch, for a couple of days, I will be able to eat on these. Also got some Caesar salad, which I used to be able to get, which I haven't been able to find for like a year now. They're American style bag salad, and I just can't find it anymore. So let me know if your Trader Joe's has the American style bagged salad. But this will be fine. The reason I go off and on with bagged salads is I swear I can taste the preservatives in them. And with Trader Joe's, I can't. So I like to get some salads when I'm there. We bought some cauliflowered rice. So my oldest son always swore up and down that he could taste the cauliflower when I mixed it in with the rice. I don't think I could taste it, and nobody else could, but he would look at rice and go, "You put it in there, didn't you, Mom?" No, I didn't, but sometimes I did, and so this is a really good way of lessening the carbohydrates by adding more of this. So I might do half of this and then like half rice, and then what I do is I mix it into the sauce. So then the rice is flavored with the sauces, and then you really can't tell the flavor or the texture. So this is good. And then, I mean, come on, they're gluten-free, and I might just hide them in the back freezer for now so that Paul, when he's feeling like he wants a little something, chocolate coconut macaroons, gluten-free. I also bought some string cheese and some Colby Jack sticks. So I just thought if they don't eat those, I could at least have them with some like deli meat and have them with some crackers, or I could even give them as snacks to the classroom. I'm pretty sure they'll eat them though. I did end up buying these cute little white pumpkins. Are these adorable? 69 cents each. And I think they are going to make a cute little vignette that's above my sink. So I'm just gonna add some more stuff around it. Oh, these are adorable. I got some bananas, which they're a little pricier. They are like 30 cents each, I think, or 25 cents, one of those. But they are organic, so that's okay. I also got some bell peppers, but this bag, you guys, this is a compostable produce bag. And it feels like so soft. I can't even, they should have these at every store, don't you think? We got some mandarin oranges, which are so yummy and so easy to put into a lunch. And then look at how cute these little potatoes are. So I'll add this into a meal, maybe something that can be baked, maybe some chicken and potatoes. It'll be good. So got some of this. This is the first time I've ever bought this, orzo. Am I saying that right? Orzo? Now let me know in the comments if you cook with this. I have a recipe that I thought I would get this while I saw it, and it was on my mind, so I got some of this. But let me know, is it more like rice or does it taste like pasta? I also bought some gluten-free flour. So when I make Paul's pumpkins, I make his own batch, and I always switch out the flour for gluten-free flour. Oh, that's a little bit of a tongue twister. And so what this is 2 cups, it looks like. And when I buy the Walmart brand, it was like $8 or $7. And this was $3.99. So let's hope that this works out, that Paul likes the texture of the pumpkin muffins with this one. And then maybe I will buy more of them. I got some of these pita chips. Kobe loves these, and so I'll just put some in baggies for his lunch. And then we got some Pirates Booty. So this used to be called Pirates Booty. I remember when it was, when my kids were younger. And I'm like, why is it called Corn Puffs? I guess they sold the name to the company who bought that trademark or whatever. So, did I ever tell you the story about when my kids, we used to live by a Trader Joe's when they were really, really little, like 4 and 5 years old, my two oldest. We would always walk into the Trader Joe's, and one day this worker that was behind the register, she's like, oh my gosh, your boys are so cute. Now, if you can imagine, Isaiah, my oldest, had on his cute little glasses, and he kind of resembled the kid from the Christmas Story. So she was like, oh my gosh, your kids are so cute. Can I have a picture of them? And I'm like, who are you? And why do you want a picture of my kids? So anyway, she turned out to be the local artist that did all of the boards. And so I gave them a picture of my kids, and they made them into a billboard that they displayed in their store. Isn't that so cute? They were just little models, and I had them pose in front of their board. Later, she's offered that I could buy it from her, but that thing was huge, and we had nowhere in our little apartment for this big billboard. So we have pictures of it forever. Another thing that I got was like a sub. It's like the ciabatta bread, a baguette. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer for whenever we need a little bit of bread with our meal. All right, we got some more carrots just for snacking. And then I like to keep these in the freezer. These are just bell peppers. So I can just get an onion and make some fajitas really quick for Paul. Or, you know, just let him add that to some meat if he wants to just make it like kind of stewy. There you go, Paul. I got these also for Paul, some chicken enchiladas. He can take those to work. Anyways, I got these for Paul's lunch. I bought some more celery. And then I got this pizza dough that I thought I could make for the kids in the next couple of days. And then I got a little mozzarella cheese so we can put that on there as well. I got a couple of these orange chickens. These are the original yummy ones from our family. So I will probably just have to cook these one at a time because Paul won't probably eat these because they are breaded. But the kids and I will eat them with some veggies, and I'll even add that cauliflowered rice to it. So that's what I'm talking about. Mixing that and the rice together so that way you can't even taste it. Am I right? I did get this for Paul, some pulled brisket. That looks like it would be super yummy. And I did get these brown rice tortillas for him. So he may even want to put some of that brisket into a tortilla and roll it up. These are gluten-free. So we're near the end, you guys. And these, let me know in the comments if there are things down that I've just showed you that you've never seen or you would like to try. Now here is the last in a lot of the treats. Okay, first off, pumpkin spice cookies. And they are kind of like the circus cookies, the pink circus ones, but little pumpkin ones. Aww. I bought this. I thought we could try that for Paul. Just as a little treat. I'll put it in the pantry, and like usually on a Sunday afternoon when we're like, what sounds good? I got some more corn tortillas. These were just $1.99, and I think it has the perfect amount. Just a dozen, and that's all we need at a time usually. I got these trail mixes for Paul. They have a little tiny bit of chocolate in them, but they have the almonds and the cashews, and that is so good. I got these lasagna noodles. Doesn't that look so good? And they are you don't have to boil them. They are oven ready to go, and they're like little sheets. I love it. So I'm gonna try this out and see if we like it. And by we, I mean me and the boys. And then I got these granola bars. Normally I like to pick up their chocolate brownie granola bars, but they didn't have them, and I don't know if they're discontinuing them. So let me know if you have them at your Trader Joe's, and then maybe I'll look for them the next time. But these ones are special. They have the chocolate bottom, which I never get because I make my own granola bars. And then here, his mama's treat. Chocolate babka. Now this stuff is very rich and divine, but it's not overtly sweet, which is kind of funny, but I just think it's so rich. So I will put this in the back freezer, and then maybe like every day I take, or whenever I feel like it, I just take a little slice and I have it for a treat. And then the boys catch on and then it's gone. That I've been hiding it. So do you have something that you usually keep hidden from your kids? Let me know in the comments, because you know we all do. I just want to know what it is in your stash. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you liked all of these things that I got from Trader Joe's. It really is such a good place to go shopping. It's just a shame that it's really kind of out of the way. So it does take a little while to get there and back, but I think it's so fun to go. The people there are so nice, and I think I do pretty good for spending about $160 on everything. And a lot of that was, come on, we got pumpkins and some flowers too. So I think I did pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by, Rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.